I grew up with pizza in my blood. That's not a joke. I'm from New York. For me, a good slice isn't just food. It's a memory. It's a muscle reflex. It's the perfect fold, the satisfying bite, the telltale grease stain on a flimsy paper plate. It is simple, and because of that, it is perfect. When I moved out to the Bay Area for work, and a little bit of that famous sunshine, I found a lot to love. But I missed the pizza. A deep, gnawing kind of missing. So, I gave myself a mission. I would find the greatest, most authentic New York-style pizza in this beautiful, but culinarily suspect, land of kale and sourdough. I was on a sacred quest. I wasn't just gonna wander around aimlessly, biting into any old triangular piece of bread. No, this required a plan. I talked to friends, scrolled forums, hunted for wide slices, the fold, even arguments about water quality. Before we dive in, what makes a New York slice a New York slice? First and foremost, the crust is king. It has to be thin, not cracker thin, hand-tossed for that unevenness and tender chew. Lightly browned on the bottom, maybe a few darker spots from the oven deck. Most importantly, it must be foldable. The sauce is simple. It should taste like ripe, vibrant tomatoes. Slightly sweet, not a thick, heavy marinara. A little garlic, a pinch of salt, a whisper of oregano or basil. The sauce is a supporting actor. Then there's the cheese, low moisture, whole milk mozzarella, non-negotiable. It melts beautifully, gives that satisfying stretch, creamy texture, edge to edge, but not suffocatingly thick. And yeah, a little grease. Too much is a problem, but none is just sad. Finally, the slice, big and generous, cut from a large pie. It should droop at the tip, but fold sturdy enough to eat. These are the rules. This is the gold standard I use to judge our Bay Area hopefuls. Old school shops, modern artisanal spots, San Francisco, Oakland, the Peninsula. Same order everywhere. One plain cheese slice, notes on taste, texture, and the guy behind the counter. My first stop was Tony's Slice House, right on Stockton Street in North Beach. Downtown slice joint vibes. You point, you pay, you get your slice. The pies behind the glass looked ready to go. The slice looked the part. Proper wide triangle, thin, long. I took it to a nearby bench for the official tasting. Crust was thin, but a little soft, almost limp. Lacked crispness on the bottom. The cornichon was soft, without that satisfying crunch. The sauce? Pleasant surprise, bright, tasted of fresh tomatoes, not over-seasoned or sweet. Classic low-moisture mozz, smooth and melty, but a bit oily. It left a pretty significant orange puddle on the plate. Fold test? Adequate. It folded without breaking, but it felt a little floppy, lacking structural integrity. Price was fair for downtown and service was fast. Huge plus if you're in a hurry. Overall, a solid lunch slice. Great for office workers who need a quick, satisfying bite. But for a die-hard New Yorker on a quest, it missed the perfect balance. Soft crust, extra oil, held it back. Decent start, best yet to come. Next, the Mission, Manhattan Pie Co., on a busy stretch of 24th, wrapped in neighborhood energy. Bigger room, broader menu, louder, more boisterous. The cheese slice, huge, bigger than Tony's, formidable triangle. It looked promising. I got to work. Beautiful char underneath, leopard spots from a very hot oven. Fantastic edge crunch with a real crackle. Center stayed soft and pliable. Sauce was tangy and complex, noticeable herbs that gave it character. Cheese was rich and plentiful, perfect stretch, picture ready. Folded clean down the middle, held a perfect U, no tip drip, structure solid end to end. Price was a little higher, but the size and quality justified it. Service? Friendly and laid back. It felt made with care and passion. If I've got a nitpick, the sauce might be a touch more herby than purists prefer, but still delicious. A fantastic, confident slice that set a new bar. My hope was officially rekindled. This felt close to home, the crust's crunch to chew, bold flavor, and serious size. Strong contender. Contender 3, Bay State Pizzeria, Oakland. Whispers said, "Look near Lake Merritt." Little place, off the main drag. Walking in felt like stepping back in time. Old photos, cracked red vinyl, no frills. Honest. A warm, tired smile from the man behind the counter. Textbook classic New York slice emerging from the oven. Not huge, perfectly proportioned. I sat, took a bite, and yeah, this was it. Thin and perfectly crisp on the bottom. Edge had a delicate, satisfying crackle. Inside was soft and airy with a wonderful chew. Sauce tasted like fresh tomatoes, seasoned just enough. Cheese melted creamy, not oily, clingy in the best way. Fold was flawless, clean line, held shape, no drip. Lowest price of the tour, service as warm as the pie. The place had soul, Brooklyn corner shop soul. It hit every mark on my checklist. As I finished the crust, I knew I'd just found my winner. It was a powerful moment for a pizza-starved New Yorker. It was something special. Contender 4, Empire Slice Works, down the peninsula, Silicon Valley core. Clean, industrial look. Menu with classics and craft options. The slice looked neat, almost too perfect. Crust was very thin, leaning into cracker territory, crisp all the way, missing that soft, chewy interior. Firm, crunchy edge without the airy bubble structure. Sauce was gentle with a slight sweetness, pleasant, not memorable. High-quality cheese, clean flavor, less of that classic greasy stretch. It folded, but felt more like bending a crisp board than folding a slice. Price on the higher end, service polite and efficient. Tech lunch crowd ready. Overall, very tasty flatbread-style pizza. If you love super thin and crispy, you'll love it, but it's not old-school New York. It was a well-made pizza, just not the New York slice I was searching for. The quest continued. Final stop, Little Italy Slice. North Beach, classic neon, old world charm, cozy, bustling, tourists and locals. Slices looked postcard New York, thick with cheese, hearty, good substantial chew, but the edge was soft, missing crispness. Sauce was rich and very garlicky, bold, dominant. Cheese was thick, creamy, decadent, a warm hug on a foggy day. The fold was a challenge. Weighty cheese and soft crust made it a two-handed, slightly messy affair. Price was fair, service a bit overwhelmed but friendly. Delicious comfort slice, but more Neapolitan American hybrid than true thin crust New York. Great when you want rich and filling, not the balanced, crisp classic I was hunting. The showdown, comparing the contenders. Crust is king, sauce is the soul, cheese is the heart, fold is the final exam. Tough competition, quick lunch joints to modern craft houses. The Bay's pizza scene is passionate. Tony's was fair, good for a quick bite, but soft crust and oily cheese held it back. Empire was tasty and modern, cracker thin, but not classic New York style. Little Italy was delicious comfort food. Heavy cheese, garlicky sauce, soft crust, different category. That left Manhattan Pie Co. and Bay State Pizzeria, the real battle. Manhattan Pie Co. delivered a fantastic slice, charred crust, bold flavor, impressive size, a strong, confident statement. Bay State edged it, thin, crisp bottom, airy edge, soft, chewy interior. Sauce and cheese in perfect harmony, nothing overpowering. It tasted like the memory I was chasing. Not flashy or trendy, simple, honest, perfected by decades. We got our winner. And the winner is, after much deliberation, with a full stomach and a happy heart, I'm ready to crown a champion. The Bay Area's best New York slice is Bay State Pizzeria in Oakland. It wasn't the flashiest, the biggest, or the most modern. It was simply the best. It transported me back to a corner shop in my old neighborhood. It made me stop analyzing and just say, that's it. A taste of home. 3,000 miles away. 3 reasons Bay State wears the crown. Crust, balance, and feel. Crust perfection. Thin, crisp, foldable, a gentle crackle, soft, chewy interior. Balance, bright tomato sauce, creamy melted cheese, everything in harmony. Feel, authentic, old-school soul. Craving a real New York slice? Make the trip to Oakland. Go to Bay State, order a plain cheese, sit in a red vinyl booth, get ready, fold it hot, take a bite. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.